And if this can hit $50, that means MYX can also hit $50 in the coming future. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to KatochXcrypto. In today's video, I will talk about a token that I covered last month, and I told you this token has a chance of pumping really high. The token is MYX from the exchange MYX, which is actually a perpetual exchange that allows you to actually trade tokens with 50x leverage according to their white paper. Look at here. MYX offer USDC margin perpetual future contracts up to 50x leverage. And in my last video, if you check this out here, the token was at around $1 when I covered it at 1.91 to be precise. And then I told you this thing has a potential because now the native tokens of perpetual exchanges are pumping like crazy. That includes Hype token by Hyperliquid also, that pumped to nearly $50 recently and is still pumping. Same is the theory with MYX exchange that is actually pumping like crazy from $1 to $12 in a month is actually huge. And in this video, I summarized why it pumped, what is the tokenomics. Same thing goes with MYX Finance. I believe this token has a potential because people are now shifting from centralized exchange to decentralized, especially perpetual exchanges, because they believe in making higher profit in a short period of time. And that's why perpetual exchanges provide them with high leverage. And that is why token like these are pumping like crazy. You can see right over here the pump of this token is actually insane, which is right over here from nearly $1 at the start of the month of August to nearly around $12, which is today itself. The pump is insane and has a total pump value of at around 2000%. That is huge for anyone who invested at $1. Now, this token has a special tokenomics, which I will talk about, and will predict the price of this token, look at the supply, and study everything about it that you want to learn before you want to invest in this token. So, with that, let's kick off. Let's talk about MYX Finance. So, before I begin, like I always say, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't already, and remember to click on link below to join my Telegram group right away. So, look at here, 12.76 is the price right now. The market cap is very important, which is still at $1.5 billion, which I think is very low for a token of this caliber. And you can see the total supply is 1 billion tokens only, very low. Circulation supply is even interesting, just 124 million token only. That is the thing. Plus, now once you look at their smart contract, which is on BSC scan, you will see 1 billion supply and holders are at 26,000, still a low number. That means a lot of room for it to grow in the future. Now, once you compare it with the established product like Hype, if I show you the Hype token here, one second. This one is trading at $53 and it's not stopping. And if I'm correct, the supply of Hype token is actually equals to that of this token, which is of 1 billion. This is Hype. This is also a token by a perpetual exchange. And look at the supply. Supply of these tokens are totally similar. And if this can hit $50, that means MYX can also hit $50 in the coming future, given the fact we haven't yet seen the altcoin pump this year. Now, if you go down here, you can see where you can buy it: BitGet, MEXC, XT.com. So it is listed. You can buy it. It's also listed on Uniswap. You can buy it on BNB chain on Uniswap. That is also possible. It has raised around $10 million investment. So it is cash rich and still people are trading. That means it has some weight in it. So again, the price can really go high from this area from $12. Of course, there can be a slight pullback, but reaching $50 for the next few months is quite possible. If you look at the tokenomics, you can see the big money is actually involved in this token. That includes investors, Binance Wallet IDO, ecosystem community 54%, and likewise. If these guys are holding 17% of supply, that means they want to take out their money at a good profit. So they may try to pump this token further to match the level of Hype, which is Hyperliquid. If Hype can touch $50, they will also try this token to hit $50 in the coming future. That means you can take a risk by investing in MYX. You can buy this token directly on MYX exchange, or you can buy it on MEXC or whatever you choose. But again, do not put all your money in just one token just because you believe it can pump very high. You should always hedge. And of course, given the fact the sex tokens, the dex tokens are pumping, the perpetual dex token are pumping even more, this token can pump too. So my next target for this token is definitely $50, and I believe it has the potential to reach there. Of course, you can try the platform yourself before investing. Check out how it works. It is working smoothly. Is it legit? Try it out yourself and see how it's gonna be. With that, I complete my video. Let's meet tomorrow in the new video, new content. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.